Hello Buffet, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Senseless, and I am your nice, good, beautiful, beautiful host, the entertainer. Hello, ready to be sweet Chaminat. Mina no kukuru. Pov. Let's do this. How are you guys? I'm feeling like taking my car to a wash. On my car to get washed, because I want to see how it looks when it's honestly, I must see how it would look. Not that I haven't done it, but I'm gonna start my day with washing it. Gives me a good vibe, a good feel. And also, when the car is washed, I feel good. Na 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 na. You know that I would not. Na 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 na. I feel good. Na 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 na. I knew that I would not. Na 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 na. So good, so nice. I got you. Yeah. I can apply. Vandaag is dat nooit. I missed the train. You know, you drive Saturday. You wanna know the main reason why I want to wash the car? Because tomorrow I wanna quickly go out and I don't want to be dealing with having to wash the car. Just wanna go. So I'm washing the car today. I'm washing it here. This is meditating because it's a park and you can chill. It happens. So let's see how it gets. Mermaid. Cheers, away. Guys, I have never revealed my engine to you. So this is the engine. So guys, after the car got washed, although they didn't wash inside the engine bay, I would have loved for them to wash, but I don't wash my engine bay, guys. Me personally, I don't want water in here. Remember the last time, if you followed me for the longest, you remember that the day I was with Katra there by Mataka's house. We were excited, we washed engines. Did my car not miss? Those misfirings are not compared, will never be compared to anything. So I hated that when I saw that day that I will never, ever put water in my engine bay. So my engine bay is dirty and I like it this way. Don't say wash it, guys. I won't wash it. Don't waste your time. It's perfect like this. I know it's fine. So let's go check my engine bay out. Someone reminded me on the comment section that I never actually opened my engine bay. The only time that you ever got to see anything in the engine bay was never, because I never opened it. So I was just checking, because I saw this other small drip here. I thought it was mine. I was checking my car. I realized it's not mine. And then the engine bay was open. I was like, hey, let me show my people, because they've been asking to see inside of it. So let's go straight up in my engine bay. Mermaid's engine bay. Those new cars. No, I don't want water in here. I don't want problems. I only want peace. And this guy is giving me peace. So I'm not going to bother this car. Either by doing whatsoever, washing it, throwing it water, foam, I'm not in the engine bay. You can do all these things anywhere else, but leave my engine bay alone. Everything is still the way this car came, and it's fine. Don't show me about dust anymore. Please leave my dust alone. And my car doesn't give me problems when I start it. Alright? So we are cool. We enjoy life like this. Guys, we appreciate you and your sentiments, but we choose to remain this way. Okay. There's one thing that I'm not gonna complain, but me being a car guy, I want to start holding this car in here. Although I don't want to, but this fan belt, when the car starts to move, the early motions of gear one, it will a bit, and I know that that's coming from a fan belt. A fan belt that is not properly attached causes things like that. So it is something I wanted to look at and deal with. But my other heart says, you know what, leave this car for a while. Let's leave this car the way it is for now, because it is not giving you any sort of problems. It's giving its best life, and it is taking you everywhere you want to go, and it's not giving you even half of problems all your cars ever gave you. So yeah, I ended up sitting alone, convincing myself, deciding by myself, concluding by myself that Munna you anamulat Abuja complete like this in the engine bay. Guys, I've been seeing bourgeois. The way, let's leave the dirt aside. Look at the cars. Look at the car's condition. A bourgeois, guys. A bourgeois. A bourgeois. Those who like to wash would have washed with reason. Now I have bad history with that, so I'm not going to start that business. And also, remember that spare wheel we put? Yeah, that spare wheel we put. It has a little bit of white paint, so I can never get it clean like others when others are clean. But I'll introduce it to polish every day, polish. These white things, they'll know me. They'll be gone. They won't stay there forever. Let's go back to the engine bay. Go back to the engine bay. So I'm not knowledgeable with Polos. I just know this is a computer box. That thing we should never ever turn on. I just know there's a computer box there. Battery here, the screen exhaust is this side, which is good because I see the links there. The links are naked. If it was a VR6 and naked links like this, you are going to know the car beautiful, because when you put in gear 2, 3, you're going to see that we're not going to go through. They're going to show you that you have missed something. They're going to show you that, hey bro, something is not right here. something is not good. So can this guy is never telling me. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Rate this engine bay. Rate it out of however you want, out of 10. Not out of however you want. No, we're gonna rate it out of 100. If someone rates it out of 10, and your results are going to vary. If someone says 5 out of 10, and you say 5 out of 100, results are varying. They're going to be varying results. So let me say out of 10. Rate this engine bay out of 10, guys. Out of 10. And yeah, for me, I'm fine. I'm satisfied with the way this car is. And yeah, man, I think I'll just have more trips, more miles, and more journeys with it. You guys are just going to be part of this journey, this trips, this miles, because miles in South African Nkupi, trips, kilometers. Kilometers feel like they're small. They feel like they're smaller than miles. But anyway, we watch movies so much, American movies to be specific, and they speak of miles. So forgive me, guys, for saying miles. Are you guys forgiving me, or are you guys not forgiving me? So you guys tell me. Tell me. Anyway, right now I'm gonna call it a day. As long as I've shown you my engine bay, I won't have comments say engine bay. And if there's anything that you want to see, guys, comment in the comment section and tell me. This car is mine. I can just stop and show you what I want to show you whenever. This car is mine, so don't worry, don't even feel bad. You're my people. I love you, you love me, we are a happy family. And then so yeah, so yeah, anyway, let me call it a day. I think I've shown you all the things I wanted to show you on this car. What else did I not show you that I was supposed to show you? I've shown you everything. I've shown you everything, ladies and gentlemen. From here, it's just going to be me, trips, and more on board. So yeah. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? My best bomba. My best bomba. My Muslim spaghetti. Muslim spaghetti. Let's go. My clean fresh spaghetti. Not to talk about how everything works properly in this car. Not to talk about that, but that's another story for another day. Right now, let's move. And if that is all, that is all. And if I vlog again, we move.